Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, entertainment gossip, celebrity gossip. If you are someone who likes umgosi, then this is the channel for you. Hey guys, you know one thing about Ushebeshit? One thing about Ushebeshit, that guy is brave, okay? That guy, angazi sana akasabi lutho Ushebeshit. Firstly, okay, when he started his music career, guys, we know that he was from the jail, and then now he is arrested again. And Kesana, his career is at its peak. His career is at its peak. He's getting bookings, he's getting money, buying cars, all of that stuff. And guys, he got arrested. Kesana Kutwa allegedly Shebeshit was involved in a ntontontoni, when he was driving. It was just some arguments. Nyana, when he was driving, he was arguing with someone, and then Ugai Kutwa allegedly. He got out of the car, took out his gun, and boom, boom, boom. Sana, esiswin. He got out of the car, took his gun, and shot the person on the stomach, guys. Like, you can try any other places, but the stomach, most you want to kill that person, why not maybe try the hand? But guy got out of the car, took out his gun, and started shooting this person on the stomach. The person is now in ICU, allegedly. So the person is in ICU now, fighting for their life. And then Shebeshit went to the police station with his legal team to hand himself over. Guys, it's been this Shebeshit to me. I need that because Sana. So he went to the police station with his legal team, and then he reported everything and then handed himself over, and then he was released on bail pending an investigation. Now Kesana, he is arrested. Kutwa Kesana Ushebeshit has a lot of cases under his name, okay? Cases that were still pending. So as he is getting arrested now, Angas, because Sana, you have pending cases, but you keep on committing other things on top of that. Like Guningi, just not long ago he was trending, people saying that he is smoking drugs, and then he agreed. He confessed to it, yes, I am smoking drugs, I'm using my own money. Ningenapi. Like, this guy is just drowning his career, and he is just drowning his career. But also, maybe it's a good thing that he handed himself over to the police. Maybe they will be lenient, I don't know. But Sana and Ukai was fully booked for the festive season. So if he is going to spend the festive season under the jail, I don't know. I really don't know. And when they book, most they pay in advance, or maybe 50% or something. So now they have to return the money to the people that booked. Hey Sana. But guys, this is what I have for you today. Shebeshit is allegedly arrested pending an investigation about attempted murderer, about hey, there's a lot, Sana, there's a lot about assault. But Ukai is currently arrested at the moment, allegedly. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.